Hi there, and welcome to this episode of Consciousness Empowerment. Here we talk about consciousness, the law of attraction, and how to reach your fucking dreams. So today I was walking to the gym as usual and listening to Audible and Jerry and Esther Hicks, right? What stood out to me in the book was this concept. Feeling good is letting go of resistance. Letting go is feeling good. No, letting go is feeling good. Or feeling good is letting go of resistance. Because the reason a lot of people don't, I don't want to say a lot of people, but if you're manifesting, you're visualizing, and if it's not coming to pass, or you just feel negative, you're resisting because your goal is at a high vibration. Because when you feel the feeling of the wish fulfilled, you feel relieved, you feel good. In the end, we all just want to feel fucking good. Okay. So another thing that Esther said, and that's something that I do, that I didn't need her to say because I'm already doing it, but it reinforces what I'm doing. She says, start by focusing on feeling good. Okay? Focus on raising your vibration at the start of your day. Focus on that. Start with raising your vibration. The moment I wake up, I start saying what I'm grateful for, what I appreciate. I appreciate this bed. I appreciate my apartment. I appreciate the lights. It's usually the same things over and over from every single day. But simple as being grateful for my life or being grateful for this moment. It's as simple as that. And just saying that raises my vibration. I feel good. Okay. As I was walking to the gym today, I feel like I didn't even need to go to the gym to raise my vibe because I was already feeling good. My appreciation today was really good. Now, when I was at the gym, I was raising my vibration as well, my energy. But there was something different about today. So I felt odd. I don't know what it was. I think it was because I took a different energy drink and it made me feel like a little anxious. I don't know why, but my vibration of being positive was higher because I was saying good morning to everybody with a loving heart, and I was resonating. I was feeling good, and what I was saying, it was something good. Like when you feel good and you say, I am great, I am blessed. When somebody asks you how you're doing, if someone asks you how you're doing and you say, I am blessed, I feel great, and you're actually really feeling great, you're being in harmony, and they understand that, and they'll smile too. They'll love it. They'll love it. But if you're feeling like shit and you're like, I feel great, like bro, your vibe just does not. You're not being authentic. So it's always good to be authentic. If you're not feeling so good, just say, I'm not feeling so good right now, but I'm gonna do something about it. I'm gonna go run. I'm gonna go do some gratitude. I'm gonna feel better. I'm feeling better now that you mentioned that. I'm feeling better now, right? Because I'm focusing on things that I want. That conversation may or may not happen, but you may say something to that effect. Like, oh, I'm not feeling too good right now. I'm going to make an adjustment. I'm going to do something that's going to make me feel good. I'm going to go drink a warm cup of coffee. Whatever it is. Know your vibration. Know how you're feeling. That's the key. The first key is know how you're feeling. If you're feeling down, you're feeling negative, you still got to start switching that. Okay? Well, when I was in prison, me and my homies, Crook from Eastside Longo, he's doing life. He was my cellmate also, but we would kick it together because he was just a good vato, and he's very supportive too. He always told me, "Yeah, man, go to college. If that's what you want to do, go." So he was good vibes. We would just crack jokes all day long. We'd be working out and cracking jokes. We'd be cracking jokes, and stuff like that. And so we were doing the time. The time wasn't doing us. So right now you're doing time also. You're doing time on earth. So it is your responsibility. It behooves you to raise that vibration with gratitude, meditation, visualization of what you want. Exercise to get energy, to vibrate high. Like I always say, if I did not work out, all right, if I didn't work out, I would not have this level of energy. It would not be possible. I may be at a positive vibe, but it wouldn't be as high as of a vibe. Okay? So I can feel the degrees. All right? I can feel them. It's very important to feel them. You know, and give yourself internal self-happiness. Give yourself happiness. Okay? That's everything I just mentioned. Gratitude, meditation, and working out. You know, being kind to others, smiling to people, being in harmony. Those are good vibes. So when you run into people who are bringing your vibe down, or things that bring your vibe down, acknowledge them and get away from them. Let them go. It's part of the process of letting go. Okay? Feeling good is letting go of resistance. And self-created happiness is true fucking freedom. I'm gonna say it again. Self-created happiness is freedom. Because you're not getting validation from outside. You're not getting, pleasure from something outside. You're getting pleasure from yourself. Wow, that was deep. That was deep. So focus on raising your vibration. Focus on what's getting you high on life. Okay? I like to say that working out is like a high without the negative effects. And it's true. Okay? That's why people get addicted to drugs and shit like that. Another exterior thing. Okay? Exterior. It has negative effects because it gives you the positive validation, the positive feeling like this. But you can do that too with working out. Walking 30 minutes or an hour. Because you got to get the body breathing, moving. Okay? Self-created happiness is freedom. Okay? I hope you like this one. I'm going to title this one, How Feeling Good is Letting Go of Resistance. Manifesting Mastery. Okay? So have faith. If you're feeling good, you're vibrating at that level of your goal. You're feeling good and you're vibrating at the level of your goal because you're feeling the wish fulfilled. It must manifest. It must happen. You'll start taking action. Things will start coming into your mind. Okay? So you're on the right track. Be persistent. Have faith. Be happy now. You'll only be as happy as you are right now. Okay? I'm happy for you because I know you're going to manifest what it is that you want in your life. All of this I'm speaking about is true power. Internal validation, giving yourself happiness, experiencing life now, experiencing love for yourself and others now, experiencing the beauty of the world, of yourself and of yourself now. And that experience that you're having, you're giving yourself, is going to vibrate out into the universe and impact those around you. And we're creating a better fucking world. A world of love, a world of peace. Of course, things are going to happen, it's not going to be like super perfect. We need the opposites, the polarities, okay? Hot and cold, mean and nice, okay? Good and evil. We're going to have to experience some of that stuff or see that stuff. Right? Because this is just the way it is on this plane. But we can always move from it by raising our vibration. Because whatever we're vibrating on will come to us. So we're vibrating good, we'll vibrate good into our life. Whatever we put out, we get back. That's beliefs, that's vibration, okay? I love you. Until next time, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If this is helping you, share it with somebody that you love. Okay? I love you. Until next time, peace.